Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect piece to complete your formal outfit?
This is my dad's formal vest by Gioberti in the color white and in extra large, which he normally is. And I feel like this runs true to size for him. It fits maybe a little big, but it does have that adjustable belt on the back, so you're able to adjust as you need to. This is just such a nice option for dressing up for a formal outfit because you're able to pair it with something you already have. You can switch up the look, but it has that beautiful finished three-piece suit look to it. It's easy to button, it's comfortable to wear, it has the pockets in the front, and it just looks good with so many different suit and shirt and tie combinations. My dad really likes it. It's really excellent quality, and I think that it is such a great value.
This vest is such a nice option to complete the look. I think it's really great quality and I think that it is so versatile, but that's just my point of view.